Hi, Daniel. Daniel is a whoa weird. Daniel.
And I'm not weird.
He's scary.
Stop.
Did you know at the abandoned house in the basement floor, there was a dead little boy that was about 6 years old.
Show me the picture.
And hold on.
Show me the picture.
Wait, we didn't do one. And there was a dead woman that was pregnant and a dead dog. And the little boy was like 6 years old. And then there was a family picture next to it. And the dad was in it, but the dad wasn't dead. I think he murdered his family. He was a 6-year-old boy. Looked like you, too.